GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Milky Mist Paneer. Milky Mist Paneer.
It was horrible. It was horrible, and I'm too attached to him, and he knows it. It was not so great, and that's why I'm like, I don't want to talk about it because I know I was, for a month at least, I didn't know what was happening. True hero. I mean, I'm not saying it because he's my father, but if I would have been there, firstly, I would have fainted there only. ऐसा कुछ accident हो जाए मेरे साथ तो. But he's actually a true hero. So they've been very kind to me always. I've never had any harsh feelings or ever had harsh moments with even Krishna for that matter.
Yeah.
Like literally, or Aarti तो is like very sweet. But मेरा कभी उनके साथ ऐसा कुछ argument ही नहीं हुआ है life में. So even when Cash met me, she messaged me. Things were very normal. She was nice to me. I was nice to her. She messaged me from LA, and that's about it, यार. And
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि उन लोग भी बहुत busy है, हम भी अपने दुनिया में busy है. But what I feel is that जब भी मिले तो एक mutual respect रहे. And I remember this lady director who really wanted to cast me, and she told me that no, you know what, we were scared that you're a star kid and you'll not come for auditions. So I was like, why wouldn't I come for an audition? So things have been little not so chilled out also in regards to having a lot of privilege also. Whole things. If this is not happening, I'll do something else. I can't be like crying or being in a victim zone. I hate that. I hate people who become victims. I've accepted the fact I'm not Govinda. I have my own journey and I want to embrace my own journey because when I started off alone. I was not keeping well, and it was written that she can't work for more than 12 hours, and that's the reason that is the producers and the makers are getting upset, and maybe they want to shelve the film.
Well, in the last few years, there have been insane amount of chatter about privilege, nepotism, outsiders. There's been debates and arguments. But I feel like, does it always really help to have privilege or does it not? And today, inviting us to a tea party is Tina. Thank you so much for doing this for
You're
Galata
welcome.
India and the team. Actually, behind the scene, everybody should know that she's offered food and tea and coffee to everybody. Like everybody's eating, chomping on something, and we'll also do the same. But
Yes.
thank you for doing this.
You're most welcome.
And you know that your mom is, I have to start off by thanking her because I feel like she's one of the most amazing women and there's a vibe match that I see. I think you're exactly like your mom.
Seriously?
Absolutely.
Oh, that's a compliment.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Do you feel your energies are the same?
Yeah, somewhere yes, a lot of times, yeah.
But tell me something, when you started off, like people, I will start off with what I said.
Okay.
Now there's a conversation about privilege, nepotism. Do you feel that although you're so proud to be your father's daughter, do you feel that sometimes because of these conversations and you've lost out on a lot of projects because of that? Has it ever happened to you?
Yeah, there have been so many times where I remember there was this very big production house. I don't want to name, but I love their movies. I have to say they're like all colorful and all bubbly, like just the way I like it. And I remember this lady director who really wanted to cast me, and she told me that no, you know what, we were scared that you're a star kid and you'll not come for auditions. So I was like, why wouldn't I come for an audition? So things have been little not so chilled out also in regards to having a lot of privilege also, because they see you roaming in a Mercedes and a BMW, and kabhi aisa bhi hota tha that like for example there's some collaboration coming, so you'll see someone getting very well paid and someone will be like, why you need all this yaar, tum to free mein kar lo, kya zarurat hai tumko like all that has been there. Yes.
But when you started off, did you always want to become an actor?
Oh, very good question. No, because I was very happy doing whatever I'm doing, and I think that was one of the reasons where it became very easy for me to work behind the camera also. And I loved working behind camera. Like it was like too much fun for me. So yes. It's like
What were the things that you did before you became one?
so I was into fashion. I did fashion designing. I've done jewelry designing, and though I don't intend to right now get into the whole stuff, but yeah, eventually I want to do a lot of stuff in the whole fashion and jewelry also. But I've done fashion, I've done jewelry, and I've done diamond assortment.
But then, you know, your father has left a legacy that is very
I've heard
difficult.
this
It
question
is,
so
yeah, it
many.
is impossible to match up to, right? Because he came from nowhere.
Correct.
I have spoken to your mom and dad in an interview last year, and it was one of the best conversations I've had, because he was talking about how he also had a riches to rags story, right? Like his father lost everything, and from suddenly from having a house, he was living in a chawl.
From having a bungalow in
Yeah.
Carter Road. He had gone. I mean, but dad wasn't born then. He was the youngest. So my uncle and my aunts have seen that side, yeah.
Have you all like grown up listening to those stories?
Yes, very much, very much. Yeah.
Does that teach you a lot of patience and perseverance, and not to take anything so seriously like failure or success, because anything can happen, right? Like
Correct.
for him also, like you said, that he saw those bad days, but he did make a name of his own, to be
Right.
very honest.
Yeah. So, you know, with me, I think it's thanks to my grandmother and my mom that she's always kept us very grounded. Till a certain time, we were not even there around the media. Like, even in the 90s, we were like really kids, but nowadays, like everyone, even from your,
Yeah.
when you're born, tab se media shuru ho jata hai. And to be very honest, his success came to me as like a lot of gratitude, not with arrogance, sort of a thing.
But when you started off, when was the time when you thought, ki, no, this is the time I think I should start acting, or what were the challenges?
Challenges तो बहुत थे, I wouldn't lie. But I used to get a lot of offers, and you know how it is, na, that oh you're getting this maker is coming to you, that one is coming to you, and then you're like, हाँ यार, चलो maybe I'm getting it, so let's do it. It's the most easy thing for me to do. So that's when I was like, chalo, let me do it. Yeah.
Which was that film that came to you first?
There were a lot. I don't want to name those directors because I don't want them to come on record. But some of them were my father's directors only. They've done movies with them, and some producers were there who worked with my dad, and they wanted to make films with me.
You know, whenever you speak to Varun, because David sir and Govinda ji have both of them have really, like, they've been a mad combo, right?
Yeah,
in
they're
the
my
90s.
favorite. Yeah.
Absolutely.
They're my favorite.
I don't think any filmmaker actor duo comes close when it comes to comedies.
I think also they are too bubbly. I've realized it of late. They're too bubbly, and that's what I like about them. They're too colorful, too bubbly, and I love that.
What were your earliest memories of being on a film set of your dad? Did you go? Did you usually go? Varun used to tell me that he used to be on the film sets.
Yeah. He used to always see the movies on the editing table. He used to know the songs of the movies before we all even knew that ye hone wala hai. So he was quite intelligent since childhood. Yeah. And
So,
he was all around. Yeah.
What were your fond memories from the set? Do you remember going to any of the sets anytime?
A lot of sets, I wouldn't lie, because that was the only way I could be around my father. Because, you know, my entire school life, my dad has hardly come to the school. And I always complain about it also, like, you know, you've never come to my school like a normal parent. So he always puts this bahana कि मैं तुम्हारे लिए काम कर रहा था, इसलिए I was not. So, you know, very nicely he tells it. So our only way of coming, meeting dad and being around him was on the film sets.
So, which are the film sets that you visited?
Oh, a lot. Iconic movies, if you want me to name, Deewana Mastana. That was the first time I went to Switzerland. Hero number 1, Coolie number 1, Sergeant Chale Sasural, Aankheं. आंखें में तो बहुत छोटी थी मैं तभी. And पार्टनर, भागम भाग.
कुछ ऐसा मतलब कुछ ऐसा इंसिडेंट याद है जो कुछ फनी सा हुआ था, या फिर something that is memorable from the sets, like maybe Hero number 1 or anything? Hero number 1 is my most favorite movie.
Even my
of
favorite
your
movie.
dad.
Oh,
I
thank
can
you.
I'll tell you stories after we stop
Fine.
rolling.
Okay.
We have gone crazy mad. We're all wearing white and we've gone on cars, bonnets, and started dancing and realizing that pura kapra ganda ho gaya. Last year, not even बहुत दूर.
Last year, okay.
गोवा में जाके हम लोग
Okay.
सबने ऐसे पागलपन किया है on that. It's my favorite.
It's my favorite too. What to say? Like really my favorite too. Like yesterday in the night, like my mom loves to listen to radio while having her coffee in the morning and evening. So you know there was this 90s hits and something, and constantly there were dad ke gaane sun rahe the, and I was just dancing yesterday. Like you know all the kisi disco mein and all that. Yeah. I'm like a total Govinda fan.
Absolutely. Who's not? I feel like who's not? But growing
No,
up,
also because he was like all the time shooting, so the only way to connect with him was just
Yeah.
that little bit here and there where we used to travel with him. That's it.
But you've also been an elder sister,
हाँ,
right? How responsible are you as a person? होता है ना कि एक घर पे जो बड़ा बेटा या बड़ी बेटी होती है, वो उसको कहीं ना कहीं अचानक आ जाता है कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Are you the more responsible one, or is your brother?
Obviously, it's me. Yeah. Come on, you can.
He's gonna.
But he is very intelligent, and there are so many times where he takes care of me. Like he'll be like, "हाँ बेटा बेटा." I like, what बेटा बेटा क्या लगा के? So sometimes yes, he becomes the wiser one, and yeah, I can say one thing: he's too patient and he's too good of a boy.
But Tina, do you feel like sometimes you didn't get your due in the industry when you look at yourself or the kind of roles that you got? Do you feel like you could have done much more if the right opportunities came your way?
To be honest, I'm that kind of a person, Joe. I don't hold things. If this is not happening, I'll do something else. I can't be like crying or being in a victim zone. I hate that. I hate people who become victims. You have to move on. If this is not happening for you, then just do something else. When the time is right, you don't know कब कौन सा कहाँ दरवाजा खुलने वाला है. I believe in this, that you should never ever be like stuck in this thing and then get depressed and then spoil your skin, spoil your hair. Why? There are so many things in my life to be grateful for. There are so many luxuries in my life to be grateful for. Like like I can always say that कितनी जिस गाड़ी में मैं भगवान के दया से आज घूमती हूँ, वहाँ पे कितनी सारी गर्ल्स अभी भी स्ट्रगल कर रहे होंगे शायद. मे बी इट माई बी दैट ड्रीम का. सो मैं हमेशा चीज़ों को पॉजिटिव पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देख के मूव ऑन करती हूँ.
The thing is that a lot of people who speak about privilege and who come from privileged backgrounds today are getting judged, right? But whenever I meet, there are many people like Janvi, Ananya, who respect the fact that they come from a privileged setup. They come from a legacy that has been created by their mothers or fathers or whoever. And there's a respect to that, right? But do you also feel the pressure sometimes that constantly being questioned?
It is there, always there. But now, like initially it was quite irritating also at times. Because not that for me, my dad, my mom are just dad and mom, right? But now I've come to a point that यार जिसको जो बोलना है बोले, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, because I know what I am and I know I'm very grateful about it. So now it doesn't matter to me.
Initially, did it ever matter to you? Did it ever get to you when if a film didn't work well and when people would constantly pit you against your father's caliber and father's career graph? Did it ever get to you?
नहीं यार, to be very honest, because I think I've accepted the fact I'm not Govinda. I have my own journey. And I want to embrace my own journey, because when I started off alone.
Yeah.
So it's better to enjoy the process than to go back and then think about it. Nah, not at all.
But what keeps you going then? Like, what is that one mantra in life where you have channelized this inner energy? When I see you, I feel like there's an energy, like you don't let things get to you a lot. Has it always been the case, or has it been through experiences?
No, it has definitely been through experiences. I wouldn't say that you don't become what you become overnight, right? It's like, everything. I think a lot of things changed with me also because I started working with dad.
Yeah.
And slowly I started grasping him, how he takes things, how confident, because he has seen a lot more harshness also than what I had gone through, because, like he used to travel by a train, a bus, and then come on the sets, that sort of a thingy. So, I think for me, मेरा बहुत grooming हुआ when I started working with my father, and मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला वहाँ.
When did you start working with him?
This was actually, to be very honest, after Second Hand Husband, my first film. And I remember this very well. We were in Delhi and I said that I think I want to start working with you, because every time any filmmaker would come to me, they would be like, आपके तो घर पे ही institute है, आप कहाँ बाहर घूम रहे हो, आपका. So, it started triggering me so much, and I was like, I want to work with you. I want to see where I can flow around, that sort of a thing, and what I can do. But trust me, it was not only about acting. He is too intelligent. He taught me a lot of things apart from acting. Life, how to be confident, how to, like a lot of grooming has happened then. In personal life also.
You said that you didn't get to spend a lot of time with him when you were growing up, right? today is he compensating for that also? Today are you both trying to compensate for the lost time in a
मैं
lot of
छीन के
ways?
टाइम ले लेती हूँ क्योंकि वो अभी भी उतना ही बिजी एंड ही लिव्स अ सुपरस्टार लाइफ एंड आई हैव एक्सेप्टेड इट। तो मैं जहाँ जहाँ इसलिए मैं जानबूझ के शूटिंग्स में चले जाती हूँ, जानबूझ के मैं टीवी शो के बैक बिहाइंड द कैमरा काम करती हूँ ताकि मुझे उनके साथ थोड़ा सा
वक्त
मिल जाए। There have been times that I'm like I want to do it so I can spend time with my
Yeah.
father. At least I should know what it is like what
Yeah.
is he exactly like. So yeah.
Before we begin, because it's a tea and coffee party,
Yes.
so I'm in love with the crockery that you have, and this is just, you guys have not seen the other crockery. Actually, I should have like one day we'll do it.
Yeah. 100%.
We'll do your collection.
I love having people around home. Like I don't know, this is something I've got from my mom. I just love
Yeah, your
having
mom is
people
one of the
around
most
home.
welcoming, hospitable.
And I love कि खाना हो and flowers हो और लोग आए, मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये सब.
Fab.
Yeah.
That's what, when I see you, I see a lot of your mom. Your smile and your laughs are also like your mom. Like
Thank you.
दिल खोल के जो खुश होके जो हंसते हैं ना, वो your mom is, she's every bit iconic. People who know her as a human being, they really know that about her. So yes,
Let's have some nice coffee.
coffee. Yes, you're a coffee person.
I'm a total coffee person.
Same here.
Do you have it with ghee or you have it?
So usually I used to when I was trying to like.
Do you want to have the pink one so it matches your clothes?
Anything.
Okay, done.
Anything works.
So yeah, do you have it with ghee?
I usually prefer only black coffee now.
Okay.
But
Same
I
here.
have had butter coffee basically.
I want to
bulletproof
start
coffee.
Bulletproof. Yeah, but it works.
It works magically.
works.
But again, you have to control a lot of other things for it to
Yeah.
work for you.
I know.
Which I feel like
But you
sometimes
work out?
No, I walk a lot.
Oh really? Even
I
I
walk
love
a
morning
lot.
walks.
Morning to nahi, I walk in the
I
evenings,
love
nights.
morning.
Cheers to you.
I was just gonna say cheers.
Thank you. But when you talk about films, do you regret taking up any of the films or like not taking up any of the films that were offered to you?
Okay, that's quite an interesting question. I believe because my journey started alone, I always believe this. I was always at the right place at the right time. That time, I felt this was the best what I got. And I was getting too much pressurized for a lot of things. Acha, ye ho raha hai. And every second, third day, there were articles about me. So I don't regret nothing in my life.
What were
Even
the articles that bothered you? Do you remember any?
Yeah, I remember there was quite a lot. अच्छा ये launch हो रहा है, ये debut कर रहे हैं, ये launch हो रहे हैं. अरे यार मुझसे तो पूछो कि मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. There were so many announcements which were made, like which were the producers didn't even ask me before even putting those things out. So I was like, what is this? Like they've never even met me. एक मिले होते, कुछ discussion हुआ होता तो समझ में भी आता. But they never met me also. But I was just like the it thing of being in the news, and that then used to affect me. But now I think it's negative publicity is also good nowadays. But that time I was too naive to even think of it in such a deeper way.
But any of the articles written about you that really got to you, although you're a person who believes in let going, is what I have realized. But sometimes as a human you do get affected, right? Like something that is so nasty written about you or the family that really got to you.
Yes, there was one time when we were doing a film, and I remember that time I was not keeping well, and it was written that she can't work for more than 12 hours, and that's the reason that is the producers and the makers are getting upset, and maybe they want to shelve the film. But who any which ways works more than 12 hours, and like how it is like, and not that I'm going to be unwell all my life or something, because that was something very weird. But I don't even now, I just laugh about all these
But have you ever battled any health crisis?
No Ray, nothing. Touch wood.
wood.
Like literally, I think somewhere that Punjabi genes in me, I don't even know half of them. I don't even think about all
Yeah.
these things. Like I've seen girls having so many things to talk about,
Yeah.
like the mental health,
Yeah.
and I don't know, there's so many topics nowadays
Yeah.
people are talking about this. Never had it, so I
Touch
don't
wood.
know. Yeah, I don't want to talk about it. Yeah.
But when you talk about health, your father went through a health crisis right now. The entire nation was praying for him.
Yeah.
And it became, honestly, in the morning, I don't know how, but I have this friend who's a journalist friend, but she's my sister. She's like my sister. all the bad news वो मुझे वो उसी से मिलता है. If
Wait.
you are hearing this, watching this, you know it.
There is this one person always in everyone's life who
But
gives you
बेचारा,
this.
she also wanted to, like, she wanted your mom's number
Acha.
because she wanted to get in touch.
But my
to
mom
know-
was not here now.
Yeah,
when
and
it happened.
yeah,
now.
but how did you get to know what
I was
actually?
sleeping. So basically, with me now, like I sleep and I sleep very well. So I was sleeping, and I don't know, for some reason that day only I put my phone on airplane mode. So suddenly, hey, हमारे एक staff, he came and he told me. So I honestly thought that he was walking and walk करते, because he loves walking in the morning at times. My dad is like a rock star. Like, you know, sometimes he's walking at 4 o'clock in the morning, 5. Even my mom for
Yeah.
that matter. So I thought walk करते करते somebody has. Then anyways, I don't want to talk about it. I get too overwhelmed and like do this thing, yeah. So then anyways, I ran and we did whatever was needful at that
So
time.
it was you and
Just me.
okay,
Just me and our support staff. That's it.
your brother.
He was in Phuket. So Yash was in Phuket and mom was in Jaipur.
And then they.
Then they came back, yeah.
But was it a difficult time?
It was horrible. It was horrible. And I'm too attached to him and he knows it. It was not so great. And that's why I'm like, I don't want to talk about it, because I know I was, for a month at least, I didn't know what was happening. It was like that. The only thing I knew was to pray. I was praying, praying, praying. I only prayed. And I believe in the power of prayer so much.
That's
Ki
true. And he has a
when-
lot of goodwill and
Yeah,
love.
like, you know, I've realized one thing. When times are not great, increase your prayers.
Absolutely.
I always believe in
I'll
that.
say this from personal, responses that I was seeing, because in my family, of course, I told you, like my mom and dad, they love your dad because they come from a generation that has been entertained by your dad, right? And news, news is a medium which is made to sell copies and the ticker. When you say Govinda ji ko lag gayi goli,
पहले तो लगता झूठ लगता होगा, like, you know, जैसे there are so
झूठ,
many
and
times
then
मेरा
you
भी
feel-
YouTube में आया कि उनकी बेटी का देहांत हो गया है.
what?
Yeah, so many times it has come.
And when these things are true and the audience doesn't know कि क्या हुआ है, like it took you guys as a family also to wrap around your head and come out and tell what actually had happened in those 3-4 hours. There was multiple stories that came out which were baseless, which were untrue, right? How did the family cope up with that? Because the fans started getting more concerned as each story came out.
Trust me, at that time, the only thing I personally as a daughter, and even my mom and my brother, was wanting कि ये जल्द से ठीक हो और ये जल्द से mess से निकल जाए. हमने कुछ नहीं सोचा, because we are not that filmy. We are very normal at home.
Yeah.
And to be honest, that time I was just thinking he has to be all right. He has to be all right. He has to be all right. मेरे दिल दिमाग में और कुछ था ही नहीं. I was just thinking he has to rock again. Period. And he was a rock star throughout.
How did he take it? Was it when you
He's
went
a
to meet
true
him?
hero. I mean, I'm not saying it because he's my father, but if I would have been there, firstly, I would have fainted there only. ऐसा कुछ accident हो जाए मेरे साथ तो. But he's actually a true hero. बोलते हैं ना कि
How did he take it? Like when you went to meet him,
he was I don't know. I'll have to ask him also. But I know one thing, that he has really, like, you know, he's too strong of a man.
But I want to ask you one thing,
Huh.
because this is something that was on my head also. You can choose to answer it. As a child, I am the one who schools my parents sometimes, and I
Huh.
feel every child does it beyond a certain age, right? Did you school him because of what? Matlab, the whole thing that came out, which you guys said that he was cleaning that gun, right?
He was keeping it.
And how did you school him that anything could have happened?
My dad is too cute, yeah. He's like this small teddy bear in the house, and like, you know, अभी क्या बोलूँ मैं, he's too cute.
When you
Tell
heard-
him.
you tell me when
But
you-
I don't shout at my
Yeah,
father.
but
I
what
can
was
say
your
one
first
thing.
reaction when he told you this as a daughter?
नहीं कुछ उस टाइम पे मेरे दिल दिमाग में कुछ नहीं था, because I feel जब प्रॉब्लम होती है पहले प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करो, फिर पूरी लाइफ है बोलने के लिए and all that. And I don't like being over how do I say that, you know, I believe in something that live and let live types.
Yeah.
तो ज़्यादा भी किसी को नहीं बोलना चाहिए, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
Yeah.
you know. So he's doing good, he's jamming, he's singing, he's working, और क्या चाहिए?
He
This is
started
what I
going on his
want.
walks again.
Yes, he's going for his walks, he's singing songs, so it's good. I like all that.
And now I've heard that he's also doing Bhagam Bhag too.
This is a news to me also. If I don't know, there has been so many times in my life there have been newses for me कि अच्छा ये कर रहे हैं, okay.
Yeah.
ऐसा है.
But do you also feel like the women in the family are extremely like strong, like mentally? I feel like at the time when I saw your mom, because of course I know your mom the most in the family, right? Even
Yeah,
more than
you're
your dad.
very close to her.
Yeah.
I know.
So when I heard it, the first thing I did, I didn't believe in any of the news reports. The moment Bhavna's call happened, I have given her a call. She has not.
Bhavna
she,
Somaj?
no, Bhavna,
Acha.
my friend.
Acha, okay.
And she told me that I'm not picking up any call, but I just want to tell you that he's fine. Don't stress, because I didn't call her for a story. I was just like, are you okay? Because I didn't know she's not
my,
here.
My
she
mom
was
is
not
really
here.
fond of you.
Yeah, and she's one of the strongest
Yes, I
human
think-
beings mentally, you know.
She's too strong. She's too strong, and I think somewhere that is one good quality I've taken from her, because she just knows to बोलते हैं ना कि even if whatever it is, you know how people troll you and all that,
Yeah.
and she knows लोगों को बोलते हैं ना negative लोगों को पे कैसे मार के रख. That's the.
But have you taken that from her also? Because we've had this lovely conversation where she's so muffat. She's honest, basically. She's unapologetically herself. She also gets misjudged for that a lot.
Yeah.
Like online also, if you see a lot of things are said.
There is like a set of people who really like her, and then there are a set of people who are all the time. But I think it happens to all star wives,
Absolutely.
and it happens to everyone nowadays trolling. तो मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता.
But are you the same?
I don't know, but I'm just me.
No, are you also blatantly like? Are you blatantly honest with what you?
No. In the sense with me, I think in this case, I think I'm blessed with my dad. He very gracefully.
That's true.
उनको जब कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, उनको कुछ लोग समझ में नहीं आते, वो बहुत gracefully ना, जैसे एक flower अपने आप को कैसे बंद बुके कैसे बंद कर लेता है. He just loves to just be in his own small, and I think I'm like that.
Yeah.
I cannot. I'm very bad in arguments, and if मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, तो I rather be in my own bubble, happy, than to be like इसने ये बोला तो मैंने ये बोला तो इसने ये. I cannot do all that.
You know, in the last few years, there's been so much said about family, extended family, and all of that. But today, you guys are in a much better space where everybody has come
I hope
together.
it just continues like
Yeah.
that.
Was it a difficult time at that point to deal with all the kind of news reports, especially because it's family, right?
I used to
Eventually
feel
Krishna,
difficult
Aarti and
because
everybody.
I remember I like traveling a lot, and मैं जब भी बॉम्बे से बहुत थक जाती हूँ तो मैं पंजाब चले जाती हूँ. Either I'm going to Chandigarh or I'm in Amritsar, mostly Chandigarh. So I used to feel lonely, disturbed, because mom used to keep on calling me and she used to be like, what is this happening? That was the only. Dad is a pro in handling all this. He is, because he's been in the industry since a long time. But mom used, so that used to like, you know, affect me also, that okay, just relax, chill out. That was the only thing.
Yeah. But how do you take it now? The familial equation, which has gotten better and thankfully will always stay better.
So see, you know, with me, they all, anyways, I'm the youngest sibling, and the girls also, whatever it is. So they've been very kind to me always. I've never had any harsh feelings or ever had harsh moments with even Krishna for that matter.
Yeah.
Like literally, or Aarti is like very sweet. But मेरा कभी उनके साथ ऐसा कुछ argument ही नहीं हुआ है life में, touch wood, life में I've never had that.
Nice people.
I've never had it. So I'm quite okay. And with Cash, I've always respected her. And there's always been, I can go on record and say there have been times that she's given me good suggestions. And she's really given me good tips also in life. I wouldn't lie. So for me, as usual, I say that I like to just keep myself away from, if there's something happening, I just become quiet. I just don't want to say anything then. So even when Cash met me, she messaged me, things were very normal. She was nice to me. I was nice to her. She messaged me from LA. And that's about it, यार. And
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि उन लोग भी बहुत busy है, हम भी अपने दुनिया में busy है. But what I feel is that जब भी मिले तो you know एक mutual respect रहे, बस वही काफी है मेरे लिए. I don't want anything beyond that.
And I genuinely feel that everybody in the family has dignity towards each other and love towards each other.
I honestly in life na, I literally, like, I'm a person, I believe I don't like to disturb nobody. and जब मिलो तो यार अच्छी तरह से
हाँ.
अच्छी तरह सब कुछ रहे, and you know this is how life should go around.
Absolutely. It was all, I think, even when I spoke to your mom, I spoke to Cash, I spoke to Krishna and Aarti also, and your dad, of course. I feel it was a misunderstanding, and then finally it got sorted, which is a great thing because media will talk about it, honestly. And I think it was the
इसलिए मैं-
media that was like बार बार
I think
वो
her-
होते
वो
होते
सब
वो
चीजें
ऐसा हो
बहुत
गया.
TRP दे देती है, I
हाँ.
feel. And I think, you know, it's actually very sweet that I've never had arguments with Aarti or Krishna. Like so many years, we've never had any kind of ever. Because he's always treated me like a baby sister. Aarti's always treated me so well. So we've never had that. And with Cash, I've always met her very respectfully.
Yeah.
Nothing beyond it.
And now Aarti is married.
Yeah.
She's so happy.
And I'm
She's
so
always
happy
wanted.
seeing her married. Trust me, I'm like, yes, chalo, ho gaya. Like I always tell, I said, you know, sometimes she'll message me, like this morning also she called me. I'm like, listen, now I want you to enjoy your first Diwali, your first Lakshmi Puja. I said, tu enjoy kar abhi ye sab, you know, abhi
Yeah.
bas baat kar kaam waam ke baare
And for the
mein.
longest time, Aarti has had so much love to give.
Yeah.
And honestly
She's
speaking,
actually
in
very
love,
sensitive,
she's never got the love back to the extent that she's given in her relationship, which she's spoken about also, right? So anybody who knows Aarti, like you would say, you are absolutely right. Like when you saw her with her Baktisi during the wedding, you feel like happy for her.
मैं गई नहीं थी, but मैं सब देख रही थी.
क्यों नहीं गई?
Aarti knows the reason, yaar. As I told you, like things were not all that smooth. So I like to stay thoda sa.
But now
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just hope it should just be respectfully good. अच्छी तरह मिले, and भगवान करे वो भी busy रहे, हम भी busy रहे काम में, है ना?
fab.
Yeah.
Fab. But you know, another cousin actually had said that, like she comes from TV, Ragini. She said that maybe you both would never do TV, like you and your brother. Are you open to doing TV?
I was just going to answer this question the same way, that have we ever been offered TV for that matter? So how can you just say that we won't do TV? And I don't think that's right to say that. But हमको कभी offer ही नहीं हुआ, तो फिर क्यों करें? मतलब कैसे करें? क्यों करें?
But अगर offer होगा तो?
Reality shows to nahi, baba. That's something I will never be able to handle. I'm very happy and very grateful for my life, whatever I'm living right now in my life. But you know, I've done a lot of TV shows behind the camera, by the way. I have done more with Dad. I have done more than 150 shows behind the camera, and that was only for TV. So then, doesn't matter, right?
Absolutely.
I've already worked for TV. You cannot say, like, obviously, yes, it was with Dad and it was behind the scenes and everything, but I've done so many, like, you name the best of the TV shows, I was there. You can ask the production people also. Indian Idol, your Saregama, your I've done TV shows, in fact, जो अपना एक music का कोई TV आया था ना, India Pro League. So we were there in that. I've done couple show. I've done so many shows in TV.
Yeah.
I don't know why. Where did this come up from?
No, but you are also, your roots have extended to the Punjab film industry in a lot, in a bigger way, right? So do you want to balance both, like Hindi films and Punjabi films
I would
today?
love to do. You know, by the way, my Dadaji was a Punjabi film actor.
Oh, I didn't know this.
So the roots actually come from my Dadaji. My Dadaji was a film actor, and he's done Punjabi films. And his movies were like called as Patola and all that. Like he's a proper Punjabi actor. And then same like how the industry works right now. My Dadaji was unko dekha tha Mehboob Khan Samji ne. That's what I've been hearing. And he called him from the Punjabi industry. How, you know, nowadays how people in Bollywood are calling from the, it was
Yeah.
the same thing happened with my Dadaji. He was a proper Punjabi artist.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hmm.
So you want to balance both.
Of course, yes. I would love to do Punjabi films if ever I get a chance.
And your mom has said that she's been offered Big Boss several times and she doesn't want to do it. If you were offered Big Boss, have you been offered Big Boss?
I wouldn't want to comment on that.
But yes, you have been offered. Say it. Say it,
I
yes.
don't want to comment on nothing.
But would you ever do it?
No, I'll tell you what the thing is, that certain things, I have claustrophobia. And जो चीज़ें मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी वो मुझे नहीं करना है. इसमें कोई arrogance या ego या कुछ नहीं है, but मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा.
Comfortable nahi ho, that's all.
And I can't fight and argue.
Yeah.
It's not that it is scripted or anything like that, but I just know that my nature is not that. मैं अपने family के fights में चुप हो जाती हूँ तो फिर मैं वहाँ जाके क्या मसाला दे पाऊंगी.
But you know, you be you and you do you the way you do it.
Exactly.
And I feel like you have this lovely fairy tale going on, which is amazing. Honestly
Seriously,
speaking,
thank
yeah.
you.
Honestly, life को इतना भी seriously नहीं लेना
I
चाहिए.
tell you what, I totally agree to this. That एक जिंदगी है, रजे मजे जी लो.
That's true.
That's it. Like, you know, I
You
don't.
spoke
I have,
exactly like your mother. Do you know that?
Seriously, I don't know why. I have, you know, I have seen such big people. Like, trust me. Again, I was living in a bubble. My dad took me out, took me for shows, took me for so many things. So जाके मैंने देखा कि भैया बॉलीवुड के बाहर भी एक दुनिया है.
Yes.
And filmmakers and actors and actresses के बाहर भी लोग हैं. Like, it was like that, you know, for me. I've seen people having lots of money also if you're not happy and if you're not sleeping well. And trust me, you know, I'll tell you what, Nandeep, in the night when I sleep, na, मैं बोलती हूँ कि I sleep peacefully and I think I no end of myself than a billionaire. कि कोई टेंशन ना हो, बस चैन से सो and you just live your life and enjoy it. That's it.
Absolutely. And take care of your dad. That is very, very important.
Yes.
Because and I hope you
And even
school
my
him.
mom, by
yeah,
the way,
mom.
yeah.
Mom is a rock star.
Yeah, but at times she does. Like, you know, my brother's always when in the morning she likes to come to my room, and so when I'm having my coffee, my mom has to come, and I love that about her. So, you know, we both are like gossiping something, and Yash suddenly will come and be like, oh God, फिर से आप लोग ने ये शुरू, and we are stuck in one topic only all the time.
And Yash is a little like his dad. More like his dad. You are more like your mom for sure.
Seriously, you
For
really?
sure.
Okay,
For sure.
I think
the whole letting go thing, I think you're more like your dad. But the energy is very much like your mom.
Okay.
Yash is quieter.
Yash is quieter, but Yash is very sensible.
Yeah.
He's very sensible. हम लोग थोड़े से है कि यार एक life है, जी लो.
But thank you so much for this chat.
Thank
and I
you.
wish you health, happiness, and love. And to everybody in the family, and hopefully
Thank you.
something we'll do which we have planned. We'll
Yes,
do with the
very
whole
soon.
family.
Very, very, very soon done.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Milky Mist Paneer. Milky Mist Paneer.